Hey guys, so if you have the Epson 2860 and it's not recognizing the ink cartridge, so the one thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to help you, is that you just want to unplug the printer for a day, then you just want to plug it back in and wait for reset to finish. So I had this problem, new black cartridge wasn't recognized, empty old black cartridge wasn't recognized. Turning on and off and cleaning terminal did nothing. Unplugged for a day, plugged back in, lots of checking, resetting and reconfiguration, apparently symbols. When it finished, new cartridge was recognized. So this is something that you can think about, maybe it's going to help you. And have a great day and goodbye.